Hello, dear garden enthusiast. I am so thrilled to share some wonderful ideas for adding an elegant pergola to your garden. Over my 10 years of gardening, I have learned that a pergola can transform any garden space into a stunning and serene retreat. Let's explore some elegant pergola ideas that will make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Classic wooden pergolas. The classic wooden pergolas is a timeless addition to any garden. Its natural look blends beautifully with greenery and flowers. I remember the first time I built a wooden pergola in my garden. It uniquely became my favorite spot to relax and enjoy the view. You can choose cedar or redwood for durability and lovely finish. Add climbing plants like roses and wisteria to create a beautiful shaded canopy. These flowering vines not only look gorgeous but also provide a lovely fragrance. Modern metal pergolas. For a sleek and contemporary look, consider a metal pergolas. They are sturdy, low maintenance, and can be painted in various colors to match your garden themes. I once helped a friend install a black metal pergola in her garden, and I looked absolutely stunning with hanging lanterns and string lights. The clean lines of the metal pergola give a modern touch while offering the perfect frame for your outdoor spaces. Pergola with retractable canopy. If you love versatility, a pergola with a retractable canopy is a fantastic choice. These pergolas allow you to control the amount of sunlight and shade in your garden. On hot summer days, you can extend the canopy for full shade, and on cooler days, retract it to enjoy the sunshine. I have one in my backyard. It's perfect for hosting garden parties or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon with a good book. The retractable canopy also protects your outdoor furniture from the elements, extending its life. Rustic stone pergola. For a unique and earthy look, a stone pergola is a great option. These pergolas add a touch of rustic charm and blend seamlessly with natural surroundings. I once visited a garden with a stone pergola covered with ivy, and it feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Stone pergolas are durable and require little maintenance. Pair them with wooden benches and soft cushions for a cozy, inviting spaces. Pergola with built-in seating. A pergola with built-in seating is a practical and elegant solution for small garden. It maximizes space while providing a comfortable spot to relax. I designed a pergola with built-in benches for a client, and it became the heart of her garden. You can add cushions and throw pillows in various colors to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Surround the pergola with potted plants and lanterns to complete the look. Arched pergolas. An arched pergola adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any garden. The graceful curves of an arched design create a stunning focal point. I have an arched pergola at the entrance of my garden, covered with climbing roses. It is a lovely way to welcome guests and set the tone for the rest of the garden. You can also use an arched pergola to frame a pathway or garden feature. Pergola with hanging plants. To create a lush and vibrant pergola, consider adding hanging plants. Ferns, trailing vines, and colorful flowers can be huge from the beams to create a green oasis. I once decorated a pergola with hanging basket or fuchsias and begonias, and it looks like a floating garden. The key is to use sturdy look and ensure your plant have enough water and sunlight. Adding an element pergola to your garden can create a beautiful and relaxing outdoor spaces. Whether you choose a classic wooden pergola, a modern metal one, or a rustic stone structure, the possibilities are endless. Remember, a pergola is not just a garden feature, it is a place where memories are made. So let your creativity flow and transform your garden into a serene and stylish retreat. Happy gardening, everyone! If you need more tips or help designing your garden, feel free to reach out. I am always here to help fellow garden lovers.